Mastercam's push-pull function allows you to dynamically modify solid faces and edges. In Mastercam 2022, you can now apply your push-pull modifications to multiple independent bodies in a single operation. Making your edits in one operation saves time and eliminates inconsistencies between modifications. To take advantage of this new functionality, simply select the faces, edges, surfaces, or chains you would like to modify and enter a delta value or drag the entity to your desired result. After you make your edits, Mastercam marks any associated toolpaths as dirty in the Toolpaths Manager and updates any dimensions associative to the solid.
For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit what'snew.mastercam.com.